The UP College of Music, of course in collaboration with the UP Symphony Orchestra, decided to come up with this huge project. Now, why 20th century? They are always familiar with the likes of Rachmaninoff, with Chopin, the romantic composers. But with 20th century, hindi masyadong exposed ang lahat ng tao, including the whole of the Philippines. So we decided to come up with a 20th century piano concerto competition. Most competitions in the Philippines, only when you become the first prize winner are you awarded a slot as soloist or featured soloist of an orchestra. Ito, finals pa lang, all three playing already concertos.
We have a tie. And the second prize goes to Zachary. Yep. You have two first prizes.
Nagpapasalamat po sa opportunity. Bihira po ako makatugtog with the orchestra. Tapos ito pang UP Symphony Orchestra ang nabiyayaan akong makasama sa pagtugtog. I'm also a general physician and acupuncturist. So yung pagbabalanse ng music sa medicine, minsan kailangan mag-leave or umabsent sa work para ma-prioritize ang practice time. Pero thankful ako na nandito ako sa lugar na ito kasi kumbaga yung music, tinutulungan niya yung medicine ko eh. Yung medicine naman, tinutulungan din niya yung music ko. Yung hirap niya, may katumbas din na ligaya eh. Na alam kong nalampasan ko yung dati kong sarili. At yun pa lang, panalo na ako noon na alam kong nag-improve ako. Tapos sobrang bonus na lang itong buong experience na ito.
Kasi bago pa ako parang 2019 yung last ko na compete. So parang, syempre sa work, ngayon lang ulit, parang naano ko na, kailangan bumalik din sa performance din, masaya pa rin mag-perform. Para sa akin, kasi yung pag nanalo ka ng competition, para bang, okay, one step para i-improve mo pa yung sarili mo. And also, yung tulad nun, yung mga friends ko din, sana nakaka-inspire din na yung bumalik din yung iba kong mga friends na alumni na musician na mag-play din.
So, yung magnitude nito, malaki. It's never done. This is the first time it's done in the university and in the Philippines.